how to stop getting email notifications from Monday.com. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of Monday.com to access your account settings. 2. Select Notifications from the drop-down menu to open the Notification Settings panel. 3. Navigate to the Email Notification section and toggle off specific alerts that you no longer want to receive. 4. If you are receiving too many notifications, adjust your board notifications by going to each board settings and disabling unnecessary alerts. 5. Customize automation triggers to prevent notifications from being sent when minor changes occur that don't require email alerts. 6. If you're using Monday.com on mobile, check your app notification settings to ensure you're only receiving necessary alerts. 7. Save your changes and your email notifications will immediately stop, reducing unnecessary clutter in your inbox.